Hey everybody, we got a really cool session in the Airstream today. I'm joined by Lindita, who is in charge of urban development here, and she's going to figure out how to cut back on traffic on 30A.
Uh-oh.
That's not what she's here for. I'm just kidding. Lindita is here for a special event that is happening at the Hub. We're going to talk to her a little bit about where she's from, and we got a rock star in here, so we need to learn a little bit about her. So tell me where you're from.
Hi, thank you for having me, first of all. My name is Lindita. I'm from Kosovo, born and raised. I've been in America like 5 years now. Just pursuing my music. I'm a recording artist from there. So I'm trying to take my craft and my art here now in America.
Nice. So how long have you been at it? How long have you been in the entertainment game?
Oh my God. I have tapes since I was 2.
Wow.
But I've been on stage since I was 7 years old.
Okay. And who discovered that you were a huge singer?
My mom.
Yeah? And how'd that happen?
Because it was always a dream of hers to be singing as well, but the conditions at that time didn't allow that. So she always saw me like imitating the microphones, the hairbrush for microphones, and like the remote controls, and like I was always singing all the time, to the point where they would even get annoyed by me, but
right.
They had to
No, not annoyed.
Trust me, yeah. If you heard me 24 hours, you'd be annoyed too.
That's super funny. So we've got an event at the Hub that you're actually going to sing for 30A. So this is going to be really cool, and it's part of a really great event. It's called the Nat Geo Wild Alaqua. It's a debut show tomorrow night, and you're going to perform at it.
Yes.
What are you going to sing tomorrow night?
I'm going to be singing one original, and I'm also going to be singing one of covers, which is Andra Day, Rise Up. It's also one of my favorite songs of the moment.
So tell me about the music scene where you're from. What's hitting over there right now? What's real popular?
Actually, we listen to everything. All of us, my entire generation, we grew up on American music, pop, country, rock, alternative, R&B, everything. Like, depends. I feel like the taste is relative, you know.
All right, and I was instructed Dave is here to ask easy questions today, so I'm going to take it easy on you today. Tell me about the beaches over there where you're from. Is there? I mean, where do you go to the beach? What's your favorite spot?
In my country, we don't have beaches in Kosovo, sadly, but we do have beaches in the next country over, which is Albania. Okay. I was discovered in Albania as an artist when I first went to Albanian Idol, our version of American Idol. And we have Dërmi, we have Durrësi, we have amazing beaches. Some of them are like virgin beaches where there's not many tourists, but it's beautiful. I love it.
So what are beach essentials over there? What do you have to take to the beach over there?
Honestly, just sunscreen. Just don't burn yourself.
That's pretty cool. So she's at the Hub tomorrow night. People, get to the Hub and go see this great event. Tell me a little bit about the event too. What else is going on around it?
I'm really happy to be part of it because I'm just getting to know this area in Florida, Santa Rosa, 30A, and I just feel so honored to be part of this big event. Right. I mean, National Geographic, that's a big deal.
Do you remember National Geographic when you were younger?
I remember my dad used to watch it a lot on TV, and I always was like glued to the TV with him.
See, I remember National Geographic when it was delivered to your door. And it's a yellow magazine, and it was like cool stuff.
We didn't have all that.
No, you didn't get it delivered to your door, but we did. We had a subscription, so that was like Christmas present, National Geographic. But now it's a huge channel, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and you can see all kinds of cool stuff. So we're going to have you sing a song. Did you know that?
Okay.
Yeah, you're like, that's what I do.
I sing better than I speak, so.
And just to stress, she is not here to solve the 30A traffic problem that we have occasionally here in the summer.
That's a tough job there.
That's not why you're here today. So we're going to give you the stage here, and here is a nice song from Lindita.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. My name is Lindita, and I'm going to be singing Rise Up by Andra Day. When you're broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round, and you can't find that fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out and move mountains. We gon' walk it out and move mountains. And I rise up, I rise like the day, I rise up, I rise unafraid, I rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for
was incredible, Lindita. Sona, thank you for bringing her into the Airstream today. And,
thank you, Sona.
Thanks for drinking beer with me at Great Beer Company last weekend. That's how this all really happened. Wow. Let's talk about your music. Where can people listen to you, and how can they find you? They
can find me everywhere. You could just search Lindita on iTunes, Lindita. All my social media, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook is Lindita World altogether. Lindita World. Do I need to spell it again? No. So basically, that's where you can listen to all my stuff. You know, I have everything connected and linked with each other. So.
And you're on the interweb too, so
of course.
And it is.
It's Lindita Music.
I knew that. I was on there today.
Oh, okay.
That's so cool. So there's an awkward thing we have to do now. So like when you post this on Facebook, you kind of have to freeze for a second and kind of give a cool face or something.
Right.
So like let's like do a few of these and then we'll pick the best one. Here we go. Hold still, real quick. Okay, do one more. You ready? And
lit.
Let's raise the roof. Yeah. That's good. I'm actually gonna leave that in. It's gonna be funny. Thank you for coming by the Airstream, Lindita.
Thank you so much for having me.
See you at the hub and support Alaqua and go watch Nat Geo. If you can't watch the Alaqua thing from the hub, you can watch it live tomorrow night.
It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.